Look, most people out there are stuck, tied to their little patch of land, pretending loyalty to a flag means something real. But deep down, they don't feel free. They're boxed in by outdated ideas, nationalism, borders, old rules made by people who don't give a damn about actual progress or what you want. If you're watching this, you've felt that pressure. That rage when you see talented people limited by where they're born. It's frustrating. It's infuriating. Because the system pretends you're free, but it hands you chains in the form of passports, visas, cultural expectations, and invisible walls. You want to be more than just a citizen of some patch of earth, but right now, you're just another number in a broken system. Now here's the thing. Digital nomads aren't just another trend or a bunch of lucky freelancers working from beaches. They're the ones who have already started breaking these chains. They move, connect, build, without asking permission from any government or tribe. They don't play by the old rules because they simply don't have to. Their networks, their communities are global. Their identity? It's tied to impact, meaning, and who they choose to be, not where their birth certificate says they belong. That's why digital nomads are a real threat to nationalism as we know it. They prove there's another way to live and lead, one that doesn't rely on belonging to a national team, but to shared vision and values instead. If this scares you, good. It should. The old system wants to keep you small, boxed, dependent. But if you're ready to push back, here's exactly what to do. Don't just think globally, act globally. Start building connections not based on your country, but on what you can create together. Go beyond LinkedIn contacts. Find people who challenge your thinking, who stretch your ambition and want to build the future now. Forget comfort zones. Forget playing safe inside one culture or one economy. Move, collaborate. Build with people from 5 continents if you have to. Create projects that make borders meaningless because their value is not tied to geography, but impact. And don't wait for permission. Traditional power will never hand you freedom or capital willingly. You have to grab it yourself. Seek out autonomous networks. Invest time and energy in communities working beyond nationalism, real ones, not Facebook groups with empty slogans. This is where real synergy is born. This is where you'll find the fuel to eclipse old systems. Also, get ruthless about your own identity. Stop defining yourself by what you inherited. Country, heritage, tribe. Define yourself by what you build and who you contribute to. That's the future, and it's brutal and binary. Either you evolve past nationalistic limits and take your place in a global ecosystem, or you stay trapped and watch others pass you by. Finally, embrace the fact that the system isn't going to help you. It was never built for the rare few who want to create something new, powerful, and free. But here's the secret. Those few are already out there, and they are looking for each other. Your job is to find them, link up, and stop playing by the old rulebook. Build a new one together. One where freedom doesn't mean chaos, but smart freedom. Strategic, ruthless, and effective. You don't have to replace nationalism overnight. You just have to stop feeding it your loyalty. The future belongs to those who take power outside borders, beyond citizenship, beyond flags. That's where real influence, real capital, real breakthroughs happen. So stop waiting for change. Be the change by turning your identity from national to cosmopolitan. Build with the few who get it globally. Move fast. Stay hungry. The old world isn't coming back, and thank God for that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to learn more.